What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Netta. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful fall glam look, babies. Fall is my favorite time of year. I love the falling of the leaves. I love the changing colors of the leaves. I love wearing sweaters. I love being snuggled up with a nice cup of coffee or hot chocolate or a cappuccino. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It is just the perfect time of year. This is how I've actually been doing my makeup almost on a regular basis because I've been in the fall mood. So yes, girl, let's get into this look because it is so gorgeous. Alright guys, so I've got brows and primer done off camera. I just used everything that's in my current everyday makeup rotation. So now what I'm going to do, oh, and I also lightly powdered my face or set the primer with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. So now we're going to jump right into foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using this NYX Born to Glow foundation. I am in the shade Mahogany. I love this foundation for those really it's not matte, you know, it's more like it gives you a radiant glow to your skin, and that's what I like this foundation for. And how I've been applying my foundation lately, normally I dot it on with some, you know, sometimes I will still dot the foundation on, but lately I've just been applying the foundation to the back of my hand and then taking my sponge, dipping into that, and then just blending it on. Concealer, I'm also using the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. I have been using this concealer so much, guys, so much. I really love it. I love the sponge applicator, and this one and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind I really do like. But yeah, you guys, I am so happy that it is fall. So fall is one of my favorite seasons because it's not too cold and it's not too hot and it's not rainy. Like, I don't like spring because in the springtime it's just wet and rainy and I hate that. But fall, I love it because it's like the temperature is moderate and the leaves change color and it looks so pretty. And fall is like that time when my skin just balances out the best. Like during fall is when my skin just is so clear and is so healthy because the weather isn't too dry, it's not too hot making it oily, and it's not too cold stripping of its oil. It's like that perfect balance. Letting this concealer dry down, and oh, that's the kids' pizza. It's about to stop. We're having pizza tonight. So I'm gonna go off camera really quick and I'm gonna blend this out and I'll be right back. So excuse me while I eat something. I am so hungry, guys. This, don't judge me. This is a Reese's cup from the kids, their Lunchables. Don't act like I'm the only one who do it. I know y'all be stealing them kids' fruit snacks and they potato chips. So I was hungry, okay? Whew. That hit the spot. Concealer, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder, and this one is in translucent. You guys have seen this before. It's in my everyday makeup rotation. switching over to my Makeup Forever straight and wavy powder brush so I can set the rest of the face. Bronzer, I'm coming to this Morphe bronzer palette, you guys. This is in my everyday makeup rotation. I really like this bronzer. This one is in the shade Showman's, and if you haven't seen it before, I'll just let you see what it looks like here. So it is a duo highlighter and bronzer palette, and I'm just going to use this shade right here to bronze up the face. So next we're gonna go ahead and jump into the eyes, and we're going to be using this palette here that came in my July BoxyCharm box. This is the Beauty Creations Calichic eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like, and it is the perfect palette for a fall makeup look, I think. So I'm going to start by blending this shade here, and this one is called Marina. And I'm just going to use that to warm up the eye. And I think for this look, I'm going to do a natural fall glam. So yeah, nothing too extravagant, but still like really pretty for fall. Okay, and next I'm going to go into this shade here, and that shade is called Beach Babe, and I'm gonna blend that underneath Marina. So far looking good. Okay, and then I want to deepen the look, so I'm switching over to this Morphe M506 brush. I just want to deepen it, and I'm going to use this deep dark brown shade here, right here, and that one is called Laguna. I'm just going to pack that on the outer V and blend it into the crease. And these eyeshadows, they blend together very easily, very smoothly, and they look amazing. So this is just a really good, well-crafted eyeshadow palette. And for a lid color, I'm going to use this shimmer shade here, and that one is called Tan Lines, because you know it wouldn't be a Netta video without some shimmer on the lid, okay? And I have my concealer brush here. I'm just going to spray it with some setting spray just to wet the brush a little bit. And then I'm just gonna pick up Tan Lines and put it on the lid. Back into Laguna and blending it into Tan Lines just to make it seamless. The lower lash line, I'm just gonna mix Sunset and Beach Babe. Okay, that looks really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. And for eyeliner, I'm using the NYX, what is this? This is the NYX eye pencil, and this is just in the shade Black. So you guys, I'm gonna be trying to do a reel on Instagram for the first time, and I laugh because you guys know, like, I am like illiterate when it comes to all of that fancy Instagram stuff like reels and blah blah blah. So I'm gonna do my best to do a good job, but I'm gonna do a reel on Instagram for the first time today, so that'll be fun. Moving into blush, I'm going to be using this orange blush here from Makeup Forever. I love an orange blush for summer going into fall. It's the Beauty Bakery Sophisticate powder brush that I'm using here, just in case you're wondering. I'm just gonna pop that on the cheeks. And a little on the nose. And then I like to put some up into the temple, into my bronzer just a little bit to balance it all out. All right, and coming back to my bronzer, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of that. I like to use my bronzer also to like contour my nose and blend that up into my brow. To finish off the brows, I'm using this Hourglass eyebrow pencil. Guys, this eyebrow pencil is the bomb. I love this eyebrow pencil. It's just so nice for giving you those hair-like strokes. So I like to use it in the beginning at the head of my brow. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the brows really quickly. On the brows. It for the brows. So now I can go ahead and set my face. And for setting spray, I'm going to be using this Milani Make It Last mini setting spray. This is the Prime Correct and Set setting spray. Oh no, my fan is dying. This envelope. Come back to my sponge and just press the rest of that in and blend everything all together. Okay, and for mascara, I'm going to be using, you guys have seen this a dozen times, the Revlon Volumizing Waterproof Mascara. Now to move into the lips. This is my favorite part. Whoops, I dropped the top. But yes, this is my favorite part. So I'm using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and this one is in the shade BFF3. Just gonna line the lips. And you guys, this is one of my favorite lip liners. I'll have to do a video with my favorite lip liner products for brown skin, because this one is just so pretty. And I have like 2 other ones that I really like too. Guys, I am so sorry if you're hearing my neighbors banging and doing whatever the heck it is that they're doing. They're always loud all the time, you know, and I'm just like, I can't wait till I move. Anywho, for lipstick, to fill in the lips, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Shoddy. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks like that. And it's just a beautiful brick red brown. And it's just gorgeous for fall. It's one of my favorite fall lippies. I have some other ones which I can show you guys too. But guys, alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back with the final look. This is the final look. This is your fall glam, natural glam look, or I don't know, would you call it natural glam? Maybe not, but it is beautiful for brown skin girls. I just love this look. I think it is so pretty and so appropriate for fall. So yes, you guys, let me know how you like this video. Let me know what your favorite season is. Is fall your month? Is fall your season? Because it is definitely mine. I love fall. I just love the changing of the colors, and I just love when the leaves fall off the trees. And I just love fall as a season. all together. So yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.